welcome to our channel Student Station. இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோவில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சயின்ஸ் யூனிட் 8 சவுண்ட் லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. டேக் த பேஜ் 100. Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. First one, which of the following vibrates when a musical note is produced by the cymbals in a orchestra? Answer is A option, stretched strings. Second, sound travels in air. A, if there is no moisture in the atmosphere, and B, if particles of the medium travel from one place to another. C option, if both particles as well as disturbance move from one place to another. D, if disturbance moves. The answer is B option, if particles of medium travel from one place to another. Third one, a musical instrument is producing continuous note. This note cannot be heard by a person having a normal hearing range. This note must then be passing through empty vessel. D option, empty vessel is the answer. Number 4, the maximum speed of vibrations which produces audible sound will be in sea water. Answer is A option, sea water. Number 5, the sound waves travel faster in solids. C option, in solids. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, sound is a longitudinal wave and needs a material medium to travel. Answer is longitudinal. Number 2, number of vibrations produced in 1 second is frequency of wave. Answer is frequency of wave. Third one, the velocity of sound in solid is faster than the velocity of sound in air. The answer is faster. Fourth one, vibration of object produces sound. Answer, sound. Fifth, loudness is proportional to the square of the amplitude. Answer, amplitude. Sixth one, dash is a medical instrument used for listening to sounds produced in the body. ECG. Number 7, the repeated reflection that results in persistence of sound is called reverberation. Moving to Roman number 3, match the following. First one, tuning fork, production of sound. Number 2, sound, the point where density of air is maximum. Compressions, longitudinal wave. Number 4, amplitude, maximum displacement from the equilibrium position. Amplitude over. Then ultrasonics, the sound whose frequency is greater than 20,000 Hertz. The number is 24531. Moving to Roman number 4, answer briefly. First one, through which medium sound travels faster, iron or water? Give reason. Sound வந்து ironலையா இல்லை வாட்டர்லையா ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக எதில் மூவ் ஆகும், எந்த மீடியமில்? கிவ் ரீசன். பேஜ் நம்பர் 100 இதில் எழுதிக்கோங்க. The first one answer, sound travels faster through iron as solids are packed together tighter than liquids and gases. The answer, first one answer, bookல எழுதிக்கோங்க. Sound travels faster through iron as solids are packed together tighter than liquids and gases. Then second question, name the physical quantity whose SI unit is Hertz. Define. Page number 93. Page number 93. So 93ல right sideல மேல இருக்கு பாருங்க. The SI unit of frequency is S inverse, that is S minus 1 or Hertz, HZ. Roman number 4th second one answer. Then third question, What is meant by supersonic speed? Page number 95. Supersonic speed. 95ல பாருங்க. More to knowல இருக்கு பாருங்க. When the speed of any object exceeds the speed of sound in air 330 ms minus 1, it is said to be traveling at supersonic speed. Roman number 4th la third one answer. Then question number 4th question. How does the sound produced by a vibrating object in a medium reach your ears? Page number 92. 92. See 92 la left side la sound is a wave heading இருக்கு இல்லையா? So அதில் listener through a medium, when an object vibrates, it sets the particles of the medium around to vibrate. Highlight பண்ணதை மட்டும் எழுதிக்கோங்க. And then it then exerts a force on an adjacent particle. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches our ears. Okay. Roman number 4th la 4th one answer. இந்த highlight பண்ணதை மட்டும் அப்படியே join பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. Listener through a medium, when an object vibrates, it sets the particle of the medium around to vibrate. It then exerts a force on an adjacent particle. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches our ears. Roman number 4th la 4th one answer. Then question number 5. You and your friend are on the moon. Will you be able to hear any sound produced by your friend? Page number 100. The same page la எழுதிக்கோங்க, note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. No, as there is no medium on moon for the sound to travel. So yes or no அப்படின்னா no, as there is no medium on moon for the sound to travel. Moving to Roman number 5. Answer in detail. First one. Describe with diagram how compressions and rarefactions are produced. Page number 92. 92ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. Purple colorல highlight பண்ணியிருக்கிறது. Sound also is a longitudinal wave. Sound can travel only when there are particles which can be compressed and rarefied. Compressions are the regions where particles are crowded together. Rarefactions are the regions of low pressure where particles are spread apart. A sound wave is an example of a longitudinal mechanical wave. So this is what the Roman number 5th la first one answer. இந்த compression rarefaction drawing வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க for first detail. Then question number 2. Second detail. Verify experimentally the loss of reflection of sound. So இது நான் picture தரேன், copy பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Answer. Take two identical pipes. The length of the pipes should be sufficiently long. Arrange them on a table near wall. Keep a clock near the open end of one of the pipes and try to hear the sound of the clock through the other pipe. Adjust the position of the pipes so that you can hear the best sound of the clock. The angle of incidence and reflection, thus the law of reflection of sound verified. இந்த drawing வரைஞ்சிக்கோங்க parts எழுதிட்டு. Third, list the applications of sound. First, cleaning technology. Minute foreign particles can be removed from objects placed in a liquid bath by ultrasonic sound waves. Second, industry. To detect cracks and flaws in metal blocks. Third, medicine. Echocardiography. Ultrasonic waves are made to reflect from various parts of the heart and form the image of the heart. In kidney, to break small stones formed in the kidney into fine grains, which is flushed out with urine. Number 4. Explain how does sonar work? Page number 98. 98ல sonar இருக்கு பாருங்க. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. Sonar is a device that uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction and speed of the underwater objects. Sonar consists of a transmitter and a detector and is installed at the bottom of boats and ships. The transmitter produces and transmits ultrasonic waves. These waves travel through water and after striking the object on the seabed, get reflected back and are sensed by the detector. The detector converts the ultrasonic waves into electrical signals which are appropriately interpreted. The distance of the object that reflected the sound wave can be calculated by knowing the speed of a sound in water and the time interval between transmission and reception of the ultrasound. Let the time interval between transmission and reception of ultrasound signal be t. Then the speed of sound through seawater is 2d by t equal to v. This method is called echo ranging. Sonar technique is used to determine the depth of the sea and to locate underwater hills, valleys, submarine icebergs, etc. ஸோ ரோமன் நம்பர் 5th ஃபோர்த் ஒன் ஆன்சர். இந்த சோனார் எப்படி நீங்கள் வேணால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேராகிராஃபில் சோனார்னா சவுண்ட் நேவிகேஷன் அண்ட் ரேஞ்சிங்லேருந்து எழுதிட்டு செகண்ட் பேராகிராஃப்லேருந்து கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த லெசன் ஓவர். நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசன் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் சப்போர்ட். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.